andu aria marekuo gukorwo mari maabithaa a borithi na aria meitaga Hessi nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria kwa ihinda iraya makoretwo magikuruhanio na njuragano cia mbeu njithi matura-ini ma Kayole na Dandora, na aikari makoretwo makiuga maabithaa acio makoretwo makiuraga mbeu njithi na matari na mahitia.
Nataka kuongea na DPP.
Kurumirira mateta ma aikari a matura maya, umuthi mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Noordin Haji mari na munene wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na wikinai George Kinoti ni magiire na giikaro na aikari a Kayole.
Samia alikuwa boxer, kila mtu anamjua, lakini aliuliwa na maneno ikanyamaziwa 25 December.
Makiaria na aikari aya area ni makumithitie njuragano icio cia gikundi giki na aria marekuo gukorwo mari maabithaa a borithi kwona makoretwo magitheremia mbica icio nenda-ini.
Tumesema tutafanya investigation. Hiyo inamaanisha si kitengo cha serikali, si kitengo cha serikali kabisa, na ndio tumesema hapa. Wajua mtu akisema extrajudicial killing inamaanisha serikali ndio imekubali. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo.
We are not refusing and we are really confessing. Truly, the isolated cases where our police officers went overboard. Most of them have been arrested. Most of them are serving jail sentences today. It's a reality. If I'm lying, you can tell me if not.
Na riu aikari makorio gwitikira kurutithania wira na maabithaa borithi niguo kuhukia njuragano icio.
I've not seen a single person saying my wife, husband, child, a friend, is a victim of criminality. None whatsoever. Nobody even who has stood out and said a police officer did a good job.
We will be back here after 2 months to review. We have officers here. We've pitched tents so that we take the cases, follow up, and come and report back to them exactly where we've reached.
Ihinda-ini o riu giikaro kiu gigithie na mbere, mundu umwe ukoretwo agikuruhanio na wici ni oragiro mwena wa Saika. Haji na Kinoti megwikinyitie mwena ucio wa Kayole ari njira ya gutwarithia na mbere kampeini ya ihoto na uiganania kuri Mukenya oro wothe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro, nie njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.